This is how I clean the chimney on my Kuma Cambridge wood stove. The wood stove is about 2 years old, and I like to do it without removing the pipe. So I'm going to show you how I do that. First, I remove the 4 burn tubes. They're up in the top of the stove, and those come right down. I just keep them in order 1, 2, 3, 4, so I can put them back the same way. Then the baffle comes straight down, and I just leave it inside the firebox, and then that allows a straight shot right up the flue there. And I like to bring down a wire rod, and I'll hook my brush to that, and then just go straight up through the chimney, and then up through there and out. Sorry about the ash, there's kind of a downdraft going here. Pull it up a couple times, and then the cleaning's done. You can see that the converter can stay in place while you're doing the cleaning. I'm just going to take a quick look here and see if the converter needs any cleaning done to it. It looks pretty good, but if you need to clean it, you can just dust it off just like that. Gets all the crud off of it there.